So in this lecture, we are going to learn GIS career for everyone. After completing this lecture, you will learn GIS in civil engineering, GIS in architecture, GIS in computer science and engineering, GIS in agriculture, GIS in environmental science, GIS in urban planning, and GIS in geography. All of them are building their career by using GIS. They are boosting up their career by using their GIS knowledge. First of all, let's see how a civil engineer can use GIS in their project work. In civil engineering task, you already have structural based analysis. In civil engineers can use GIS to include a multitude of materials data, area history data, and 3D GIS map to create standard design methodologies. And in your environmental analysis, before design any construction, GIS provides the overlay maps, future growth plans, industrial concerns, land, water source, and other natural elements so that engineers can make the least impactful decision. In your transportation related project, by using GPS in GIS technology, highly dynamic traffic data or rapidly changing flood levels can be shown alongside population change on the same map. As example, we can say you are using Google Map to see the traffic before going anywhere. So it's a little example of this. In your wastewater related project, GIS provides hydraulic data for water utility systems and combines customer information, water flow at various nodes, and historical data to forecast water demand. In that case, GIS is using spatial data and non-spatial data combinedly. A spatial data means the graphical map and non-spatial data means the corresponding data related with that graphical feature. If I want to tell about the definition of this non-spatial and spatial data, it will take a long time. So I am giving you the short description of non-spatial and spatial data. Spatial data means the graphical map and non-spatial data is the corresponding data regarding that feature. In site analysis, GIS integrates environmental protection, regions, city and zoning designation, soil and topographic maps for site analysis. Surveying. In surveying sector, surveyors can easily assess environmentally sensitive regions, forestry, government control, road network, previously established boundaries, and other vital information using GIS technologies. And in CAD integration, which is the most potentialities of GIS in civil engineering. In your construction design related work, you are using AutoCAD, in where you are doing very wonderful dynamic design, 2D or 3D related map, 2D or 3D related building design. But GIS can create a coordinate system in AutoCAD to project that map without having a change CAD design or convert GIS data. By using GIS, you can give your this construction design a real world position system by using which you can easily place your this design in Google Map or Google Earth anywhere by using this real world position system. So in this way, civil engineers are already using GIS in their project work.